Hi everybody, I thought I would quickly jump on. I do hope you're well, but today for me it's all about fish, and I just thought I'd show you this order. So I've had an order for 5 pairs of goldfish earrings. I've gone ahead and made up 4. I'll show you a copy of the packing slip. Some people like to see a bit of proof. So there's the order for 5 pairs of earrings. So first of all, we've got the pink pair. They're sweet, aren't they? The customer may love goldfish. I actually have one of these fish right now. He's beautiful. We have a pink pair. We've got the blue pair. And then we've got, see, I'm doing this like my glasses. I'm blind as anything. Red. Here's the red ones. Here's the red. And then we've got orange and yellow. We have orange and yellow. And these are on sterling silver hooks. If you don't want them to be really expensive, just use the stainless steel hooks. Purple. So the last pair to make, ooh, are they showing? Are these? So the last pair are these. Oh, the eyes look a bit funny. There we go. There we go. But if you can make some things that are a little bit different, I mean, I don't know, the person that's bought these may love fancy goldfish. For all I know, it could be going to an aquatic store. I do have customers that do the resale, absolutely fine. As long as I get what I want, I don't care what you do with them. Normally for something like this, it's usually a resale order. Again, I don't know. I just actually put a handmade with love sticker on. So I thought I'll make this with you. If you have placed an order with me, thank you so much. I've got this one here. It's gonna have to go to the post office. If you have placed an order over the weekend, thank you so much. My aim is to get them all out today. That big one was, I think, 171 items. I had to handpick 171 items. I did actually get that one ready on Saturday. So let's make these earrings. Thank you for watching, for liking, for commenting, subscribing, visiting my website. Mwah, I love you all. So we've got some So let's get a jump ring. Actually, I remember making these now because it is quite fiddly. I'm just going to pop another jump ring over that. This isn't a tutorial, guys. This isn't a tutorial or anything. Just making sure there's no gaps. There we go. Now I'm going to open this one. I should have done it the other way around, shouldn't I? So that's the way it's facing. So it needs to go this way. Just making sure there's no gaps. There's one. Another jump ring on that jump ring. I think I'm using 5mm, but previously I used 6. I can see why I use 6 now. So there's that one, and I'm just going to open this one. He's slightly apart actually. Ooh. Wants to swim away. Where's it to? Let's find the end. Come on, end, where are you? There you are. So again, facing myself, so the hook will go on that way and then close. And there's that one. Off to their new home. Just put the label, just a handmade with love label. Right, let's put these on. Remember, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. And all I do with these, so let's pop these in. Get in. Just make sure they're facing the right way, which they are. Okay, keep them like that. I always put a spare pair of backs in. Tear this off. If they are for resale, obviously they've got the little hole at the top so they could pop them on. And then, so here they are. I'm just doing a thumbnail. I've just realised the new boxes I bought are white, which I know it seems, oh, that's better than the brown ones, but when these get delivered, you should see what they look like. Honestly, when these get delivered, they can be really dirty. It's all I've got right now. It's all I've got. I didn't realise they were white. So what I'm going to do, I have an abundance of these left over from Christmas. Organza bags. So we'll just pop one in an organza bag. And that's how I made these funky fish earrings. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more fun, creative projects. Check out my other videos and playlists for more handmade inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.